Hey, it's KJ. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a pre-Disney cruise haul to share with you guys. You guys, this haul is huge. I mean huge. We have been doing a lot of shopping in preparation for this Disney cruise. I cannot wait to go on vacation. I cannot wait to get away. But leading up to it, going shopping for the cruise just gets me really excited. I feel like it's all part of the experience, you know, like part of the fun is the journey. So I've really been enjoying picking up things for my kids, for myself, for my husband, and just really getting ready for this cruise. So in today's video, I have several places that we shop from that I'm going to be sharing with you. So it's gonna be a bit of a long one. So get your coffee, get your seltzer. I've got my Polar with me, and just hang out with me, and I'm gonna take you through everything that I got for this upcoming cruise. So here in front of me, or next to me, I have everything like sectioned off. So I have what I got from Walmart, what I got from Target, what I got from Amazon, what I got from Etsy, what I got from Primark. So I'm going to share with you in order of the store that I got it from. So first, I'm going to be sharing with you what I got from Walmart. So the first thing I have here are these crowns. These were like $5.95, I believe. Here's what they look like on the back. So we are hoping to do the Princess Royal Gathering. We did it on our last cruise. So also for $5.95 are these princess bows. So we have here Cinderella, Ariel, Belle, Tiana, Aurora, and Rapunzel. Here's a closer look at the princesses. They end up shaking out to be about $1 a piece. You know, they're not the best quality, but you know, good enough for $1 a piece. And they're for my 4-year-old, so she's gonna love them. Next, I have several bathing suits for my 4-year-old because I wasn't sure what was gonna fit her, what she was gonna like. So the first one I got, this one was $9.98. So here it has like the little bikini bottom, and then it has the rash guard top. The next bathing suit I got was this one. This was $11.98, and my daughter loves this one. Again, I like the long sleeves because it's just less sunscreen that I had to put on. But this was a 4T. Now, funny thing, guys, this one is a 5T, and this one was $9.98. It's by the same brand. It's by Wonder Nation at Walmart, and for some reason, this one was $9.98, while the 4T was $11.98, so not sure why. So those are the bathing suits that I got for my 4-year-old. Now, the next part, I got her a bunch of dresses because I just wasn't sure like which ones she would want to wear. So the first couple I got her are these Mickey and Minnie ones. So these were $14.98 for the 2-pack. So we have Minnie and Mickey here, and then this one is also Mickey and Minnie. Next up is another 2-pack. These were also $14.98. So I got this princess one as well as this princess one. Now we are going to be eating at Royal Palace, and she is going to be meeting the princesses hopefully at the Royal Gathering. So I wanted her to have some princess options. I'll probably pack several princess dresses. I mean like the cotton dresses. Like I don't go all out with like the costumes. That's just, it's too much for me. So this is just easier, and they're also easier to pack. Listen, if you like packing the princess dresses, you do you. Like that's awesome. It's just I pack carry-on only, so I need my clothes to like be like compact. So I got those princess dresses, and now I have other princess dresses, which I was so excited about. I got 2 3-packs, so essentially they were $24 each, so they end up being $8 per dress, which I think is such a steal of a deal. So let me share those with you. The first 3-pack had Ariel, Cinderella, and Tiana. So here is the Ariel dress. Next up is Cinderella, and the third one in that 3-pack is Tiana. I love this one. My daughter wore this for St. Patrick's Day this year because it's all green and it's just so cute. And then in the second 3-pack, we have Snow White here. I love this one because I think it really looks like Snow White's dress. And I also love this one because I feel like it really looks like Belle's dress. And then the last one in that 3-pack is Jasmine, which is just so cute. And then for my 2-year-old, I got him this little Spidey outfit. This was $12.98. What I like about this is it's got not only Spidey, but Spin and Ghosty. Next up, I got this little hoodie here for my 2-year-old. You guys, this was $5. $5 on sale at Walmart. And now I know we're going in the warmer months. We are going in spring. However, it does get cool sometimes. And also I figured in the kids club, they have Andy's room. So I was like, I gotta bring something Toy Story, you know, for my little guy. So again, for $5, like how can you go wrong with this? Next, I got a 4-pack of t-shirts from Walmart. They are Disney t-shirts, and they were $10. So you guys, these were $2.50 a t-shirt, and they're so cute, and I think they're super unique. The first one here is Marie and her 2 brothers. Next, I have 101 Dalmatians. Next up, we have Dumbo here, and I love that it has the little tie here. I think that is absolutely adorable. And the last one in the 4-pack is Pinocchio, which I think is super unique. I don't really think you find too many Pinocchio shirts, especially for girls or women. So I think this one is so stinking cute. Next, I have a few things from Primark. The next thing I got from Primark are these stickers. So these were on sale for $1, originally $3, on sale for $1. Next, I picked up these sunglasses for my 4-year-old. These were $2. And speaking of sunglasses, now we're gonna move to Target. So I only picked up a few things from Target. I got these Spider-Man glasses. These were $6. I got these for my 2-year-old. They're super cute. They've got Spidey on this side here, and they've got Spidey and his amazing friends. He actually picked these out, and to go with his Spidey sunglasses, he also picked out this Spider-Man hat. And then the next two items I got from Target are things to entertain my kids. So I got this little Bluey book here. This is basically like a seek and find type thing. So like I said, you definitely need to get things that will entertain your children while they are at dinner or on the plane, or just maybe if you go play bingo or something, like you need to have things that will entertain your kids. And then I also got these Encanto stickers as well, because you know you can never have enough stickers when you have little kids. The next section will be from Sam's Club. I found these water shoes at Sam's Club and I was so excited, you guys, so excited when I found these. So these are the little water shoes, and they had a bunch of different kinds. They had, I think, Minnie Mouse, Spider-Man, Bluey. They had a few more. If you guys want to go check out my Sam's Club shop with me from I think last month or 2 months ago, I show you all the shoes. But I saw these and they were 12 and change. They were like under $13, like maybe $12.98 or something. And I just thought they were so adorable. Now I did get them for my 2-year-old as well as my 4-year-old. I could have gotten her Minnie Mouse, but I just figured like they're not gonna wear water shoes that often. They'll wear them on the cruise. They'll wear them a little bit this summer, but they're not gonna wear them a ton. So I wanted to be able to pass Winnie's down to my 2-year-old and then, you know, my 2-year-old to the baby. So that's why I got 2 of the same instead of getting Minnie and Mickey, because I'm just trying to, you know, get a little more longevity out of them. The other thing I loved about these water shoes was that I was able to get my 2-year-old a matching bathing suit. So you guys, it matches exactly. Like it has the same little Mickey Mouse on the shoes as well. Here are the shorts here. Next up, I have a couple of things that I got from Amazon. The first are these Disney cruise ears. So these were $9.99, which I mean, you guys, does it get better than that? How cute are these? I did get a pair for my 4-year-old as well. I mean, for $10, you guys, can't beat that. And then I also got 2 pairs for Pirate Night, one for me, one for my 4-year-old. So they have the little pirate symbol on the bow. Next, I got a few things from Etsy. So the first here, guys, how cute is this? Now, I'll just preface this by saying I'm a Taylor Swift fan. I'm not a diehard Taylor Swift fan. I was a huge Taylor Swift fan back in her country music days, but you know, she's gone pop now, which I still like her stuff, but all right, I digress. So why am I telling you this? Well, I got this t-shirt, which is just so cute. Disney Cruise, the Eras Tour. So that's the front. And then the back here also says the same thing, and then it has all of the characters and when they were created. I just thought this was absolutely adorable. Then I got one more thing from Etsy. I got these adorable little Mickey pirate earrings for Pirate Night on our cruise. I thought those were just, I mean, come on guys, how sweet is that? Next, I'm going to be sharing with you everything I got from Temu for our upcoming Disney cruise. The first thing I got, you guys are gonna be like, what the heck is that? So let me back up and show you guys. So what you do is you put it around your waist or your shoulder like this, and then the baby sits here. So what it does is it alleviates some of the pressure, like if you're holding your baby or your toddler, it just alleviates some of the pressure. My sister does have the Tush Baby, which I have borrowed from her and I did use on a couple of our Disney trips when my now 2-year-old was like 6 months, 10 months, around there. So I have tried Tush Baby as well, but it is a little bulky. So the nice thing about this is that it does fold really small. Like, I mean, guys, it's gonna take up like no space in my suitcase. The next thing I got are these little hooks, which you can't see, so I'll take them out. So this is what they look like. They're little magnetic hooks. And if you didn't know, the walls in a lot of cruise ships are magnetic. So you can hang these little hooks on the wall and they, you know, if you want to hang your lanyards or you want to hang your hat or what have you, you can do that. Now on our last cruise, I didn't have hooks. I didn't really feel like I needed them, but I thought I would try them out this time. I mean, I didn't use them last time because I didn't have them, but this time I do have them. So I will let you guys know whether or not I use them again in the Unpack With Me. I will let you guys know if I use them or not, but that is why I picked them up this time. Next, I'm going to be sharing with you a few bags that I got, and not like purses, but you guys will see. So the first one is for my cords. So as you guys know, I am a content creator, so I do need a space for my cords and things when I am traveling. Right now I keep them in a Ziploc bag, and a few of my other YouTube friends, I've seen them use things like this. My friend Ashley over on Pixie Dusted Mom, she has something like this, and then another YouTuber I follow, Becca Hart, she has, I believe, something similar as well. So I've seen them, you know, with their organization. I'm like, you know what, maybe it's time I go through my cords, see what is what, and put my cords in here. Now, I don't know if this will be just for like vlogging equipment. This might be for like our fans that we charge and just that kind of thing, but you'll see why in a second. So the reason I say it might not be for my camera equipment or vlogging equipment is because I did get this bag. So, well, this is the bag here. Here's the bag. And I will say I just took everything out of the plastic, and like everything that I have here, I took everything out of the plastic just now. So it does have a bit of a smell to it. So if you guys do get this bag, you would have to air it out. Like I'm definitely gonna have to air it out before we take it on our trip. But it does have, so let's see. Here it has places where I can store, you know, my different cords or memory cards. So it's got these two flaps here, and then it has another zipper pocket where this is like the thing to divide everything. So here's probably where I'd keep my camera, my GoPro, and it's another zipper pocket here. So it also, maybe this will help you guys like envision everything a little bit better. So here, you know, you can see where the cords are and you can like separate your equipment that way. Next up, I have a wet dry bag. I see people on YouTube with these all the time. Now I'm old school and I usually use a Ziploc bag, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna get the wet dry bag. We are going on the cruise, so I did want to pick that up. The next thing I got is this here, this clear pouch, and it says life is better on a cruise, and it's got, you know, the cute little cruise ship here and the flip-flops, the starfish, the sun, little bikini. So I thought this would be really fun. I have clear bags like this that I got from Amazon that I use for my makeup and for other things. So I don't know, you guys, I just wanted something like that had cruise on it. Not that anyone's gonna see it except for me, but I don't know, I just thought it was cute. So excited to pack this on our cruise. And I'm sure I'll take it on other vacations too, but definitely gonna use this on our upcoming cruise. This next item is for clipping your jackets onto your bag. So let me show you what I mean. So this clips onto your suitcase or your bag, and then this here, you would put your jacket or your sweatshirt or something in, and it hangs on the outside of your bag. So let's say you're going on vacation and you run out of space in your bag. Like you just have an extra hoodie or a jacket and you don't want to wear it on the plane, or you're already wearing things on the plane and you're like, ugh, I just don't have space for this one last item. This is for you. So you, like I said, you clip it on the outside of your bag, and then you can clip your jacket on, and then you just hang it on the outside of your bag. And speaking of clipping things onto your bag, the next thing I got is this little clip. The center is, I guess, sort of clear. So here's just another picture of it. Maybe you could see it better in the picture. So what you can do with this is you can clip this onto your suitcase. And if you have a bag that doesn't have the little slit to like put over, you can use this to clip a bag on. Next, I have this little dental floss holder. It's so cute. So you guys, I don't like floss. I like the picks. I like it because even when I ran out of these, the ones that it came with, like I can just refill them myself. And I always put them in Ziploc bags in my bag. Like you can ask John, my husband, I always have them in my bag. Like I hate having anything stuck in my teeth. Like it drives me nuts. Like I cannot enjoy myself. Seriously, if you ever meet me and you ever meet John, or if you know me and you know John, ask John. It will drive me nuts. Like I will not be able to focus on anything else until like I can get whatever's in my teeth like out of my teeth. So I like these because I no longer have to put it in a Ziploc bag. It has its own little case. Next up is this universal cell phone mount holder. So this is the box. So what you can actually do is clip it to the tray table in front of you. I don't know if you guys can see like this picture right here. That really shows you how to use it. So I thought this would be great for the kids. So my kids don't have their own tablets. They either use my iPad when we're on the plane, or they use my phones. And I thought this would be great because for my personal phone, you know, I can just clip it onto the tray table, and that way, you know, they don't have to hold it. They can just watch it, and it'll just make things easier. And also hopefully, you know, they won't be like playing with the phone. They can just watch it. So I'm definitely looking forward to using this on our next trip. The next item that I got are these reusable zip ties. I got these for all of my wires. If you guys are fellow content creators, or you're just someone that goes away with kids, or just, you know, you live life, then you know, like just we all have like a ton of cords. So I got these to keep things a little bit more organized. Next up is this 8-pack of toiletry covers. So what you do with them, they look like this. And what you do is with your little travel toiletries, you can put this on top of them so that they don't leak. Next up, I got a 2-pack of these stroller hooks. So these just Velcro onto your stroller, and then they have the little carabiner here. Now I already have several stroller hooks, but I just figured why not grab a couple more, because you know what? You can never have too many stroller hooks in my opinion. Next, I did go ahead and get some cruising ducks for our Disney cruise. I am really excited to use the ducks. We did not use them on our last cruise. I actually only found out about them on our last cruise. So really excited to use these ducks. The next item, you guys are gonna be like, what the heck is this, KJ? So I got latex waterproof shoe covers for myself and for the kids. Now, how I found out about these, you guys, I have a memory of my father wearing something like this when I was a kid. He would come home from work, come home from the city, and when it rained, because he wore like a suit and everything, and I was a really little kid and I remember this, he would have these like little covers for his dress shoes. Like he didn't wear rain boots, he wore these like, I guess they were latex covers for his shoes. And I was like, I wonder if they still make those. Sure enough, I found them on Temu. So these are the ones for me. I mean, they look silly, ridiculous, but they're basically like a latex glove for your shoes. I'm hoping they work. On our last trip to Walt Disney World, on our last day, we went in December, it poured, you guys, it poured. My shoes were sopping wet, like it was horrible. So I was like, you know what, maybe I can throw these in our bag, because rather than have rain boots, you know, use these. Hopefully they don't rip. Then I also got them for the kids as well. So I got a pair for my 2-year-old and my 4-year-old. And, you know, they're both just, you know, I got them each a black pair as well. So we'll see. I tried to put these on my, now I'm wearing a slide right now, you guys. So it didn't really work out that well, but I got these thinking they'd go over my sneakers. So hopefully they work, because it was so uncomfortable being in the rain. I mean, it poured all day. So yeah, hoping these will help that problem. And also I just love that they fold down so small again. So rather than taking the kids' rain boots, if there's rain in the forecast, I mean, there's always rain in the forecast in Florida, but you know, this way it will hopefully, if it's going to rain for like a long part of the day, that will help. So we'll see how it works. So these last few items I also got to entertain my kids on the plane or on those long cruise dinners. So let me share with you what I got. The first thing is this little book here. It's one of those magic water books. So what you do, here they show you on the back, you fill the little pen with water and then you color the sheet. And what happens is when you color it, the picture's there, but like the color appears when you use the water on it. My kids already have a couple of these, but I figured why not grab another one? Let's see how the one from Temu is, but I'll definitely share with you how they are in my Unpack With Me. So make sure you guys check that out at the end of this whole vlog series. But yeah, so I thought I would just try one from Temu and see how it works. All right, guys, we made it. My final few items are stickers. So these are cupcakes. So what you do is you have like the main sticker there and then you can like decorate it. So that's the cupcake one. Then I got some sea creatures. This one looks like Nemo from Finding Nemo. So I also thought that was cute, especially with the cruise coming up. This one is different farm animals. And then this one is dinosaurs. So like I said, this is like the main sticker. It's the dinosaur and you give them different faces and decorate them and whatnot. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's pre-Disney cruise haul. If you guys have any suggestions on anything else you think I need to pick up for our Disney cruise, please let me know in the comments down below. And with that, if you guys are not subscribed, I would love for you to hit that red subscribe button down below. And if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. And with that, I will see you guys real soon. Bye.